Welcome to Life XP Boost. Here, we share life hacks and self-improvement tips to help you level up. If you want to transform your life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's embark on this journey of personal growth together.
And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to like it. So, let's start the video.
Ever wonder why some people achieve everything they set their minds to while others struggle? The secret isn't luck, it's goal setting. And no one explains it better than Tracy. If you want to achieve more, stay focused and turn your high dreams into reality. Watch this till the end. Because today, I'm breaking down Tracy's proven formula for success. Let's get started. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let me ask you, do you have clear goals written down? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a goal, but a strategy to achieve it. Step number 1. Get 100% clear on what you want. Tracy says, clarity is power. If you don't know exactly what you want, how will you achieve it? Write down one specific goal. Not just I want to be successful, but something measurable. Like, I will earn $10,000 in the next 6 months. Now that you have a goal, let's talk about the next step, turning it into a plan. Step number 2. Break it down into small, actionable steps. Huge goals feel overwhelming. Tracy suggests breaking them into bite-sized steps. Example: if your goal is to start a YouTube channel, break it down like this. Pick a niche, write video. Scripts, learn editing, upload first video. You've got a plan, but how do you stay consistent? That's where the next step comes in. Step number 3. Use the 80-20 rule for maximum results. Tracy teaches the Pareto principle. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Focus on high-impact tasks that bring the biggest results. Example: instead of spending 5 hours on thumbnails, focus on creating high-value content that people actually want to watch. All right. We're making progress. But how do you stay motivated when things get tough? Let's talk about that next. Step number 4. Develop a success mindset. Tracy says, your thoughts shape your reality. Successful people think differently. They don't focus on obstacles. They focus on solutions, affirmations, and visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your goal daily. It programs your brain for success. But wait, one final powerful secret that most people ignore, and it can change everything for you. Step number 5. Take action now. Knowledge without action is useless. Tracy emphasizes, act immediately on your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Even a small step today puts you ahead of 99% of people. Now it's your turn. What's one goal you're going to start working on today? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful,